How to change your name on Cash App. So you have to follow all these steps one by one. First of all, tap on Cash App icon on your phone to open it. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the personal option to access your account information. Find your current name displayed on the screen and tap on it to edit. Delete your existing name from the text field to make room for the new one. Type in your new first and last name accurately in the text field. Once you have entered your new name, tap Next to proceed to the next step. Cash App may ask you to verify your identity by entering your date of birth or last four digits of your SSN. Take a clear photo of your government issued ID that matches your new name and upload it. Review all your details and tap Submit to send your name change request to Cash App. Cash App will review your request and send you a confirmation notification once your name has been successfully updated. Thank you for watching.